This is day 0.5, and day 1 of me knitting the Kerr Sweater by the.creabea, which is a Colorwork sweater. And this is going to be my first time ever knitting a Colorwork sweater in the round following a pattern. I did my Poppy Tee and my World Series sweater. Those were my first ever Colorwork sweaters that I ever did, but those were knitted flat, and it was my pattern. So this is going to be the first time I'm actually following a chart with Colorwork in it. I'm super excited. I decided to do the smaller version of the sweater, like the smaller stripe one, because I want to like slowly introduce myself into it, and so I felt like the smaller version of the Colorwork sweater was perfect for what I was looking for. So that's what I'm gonna do. So cute. So I decided that my colors are going to be, this is going to be my main color. This is gray. So cute. And this is Cumbria. I really don't know how to say it. Cumbria by the Fiber Co. So cute. Let's get a little close up. And it has its worsted weight, and it's 90% wool and 10% mohair. Very nice. And this is the same yarn one of my sisters used for their halibut sweater. So this is going to be the main color, and then I have Jobs Charisma in this color, and my other sister used this in her halibut sweater. So I have 2 halibut sweater yarns for my own project, which is pretty cool. But this is going to be the contrast color that I'm going to use for the Colorwork portion. So it's going to be that gray color and this blue color, and I think this is the prettiest color combination ever. Like, I'm so obsessed. I cannot wait to work it up. So excited. Anyway, I decided to do day 0.5 because I started later in the day, and I was like, I still want to have that video in here, but it's too short to make its own day. So I'm combining day 0.5 and day 1, and we're just gonna get started on this project, and I cannot wait to see how it comes out and how it works up. So let's get it. This is day 0.5 of me starting the Kerr Sweater by the.creabea, and I say 0.5 because it's literally 6 p.m. right now, but I'm tired of getting harassed by my sisters because they keep asking me when I'm gonna start the sweater, because I've been reading and chilling and literally vibing, but they keep harassing me. So I'm gonna start tonight and gonna cast on and stuff, and then I will have my full day tomorrow. But I'm still gonna put this in my day 1 video, but this is the pre-day 1, you know, the little intro, because I'm only gonna knit for like a couple of hours and that's it. But at least I'm starting finally, so let's get it. This is gonna be, well, you guys already know by now because I did my intro and stuff like that, so let's get it. So I just knitted 19 rows. Yes, I just knitted 19 rows, and I have to knit 19 more, and then I'll be done with the section that I'm on, and then I get to actually just knit stockinette, because with these I'm literally increasing every row twice. Yeah, so it's a lot of increasing, but at least after this, I'll just be knitting plain stockinette, which I'm excited for. So I want to finish those 19 rows tonight. You know, maybe even start on the stockinette part. I don't know, we'll see, because it does take longer now that I have more stitches. So I don't know. I don't even know. I'm giving myself goals already. I know I should never do that. Anyway, okay, that's it. Bye. So yesterday I definitely did not finish whatever I said I was gonna finish. I got to row 34 out of 38 with these increases I have to do. So, which is really good. So I literally just have to do 4 more rows and then I'll be done with this set of increases, and then I can move on to the plain stockinette part of the pattern, which I'm really excited for. But that is the end of 0.5, and let's move on to day 1. So this is officially day 1 of me knitting the Kerr Sweater by the.creabea, which is a Colorwork sweater. Literally my first... What? I keep wanting to repeat myself, but then I forget that I already said all of this already. I have a full day. It is 10 a.m. I can get a lot done today, and I plan to get a lot done today. Like, I have nothing else to do but knit, and we'll just see how far I get into the sweater. I don't have a goal really. I just want to see how much I can get done today and just really go crazy. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I finished those 4 rows, and now it's time to knit the stockinette section for 4.5. Why was I gonna say 4.5 rows? 4.5 inches, which is, I get to like mindlessly knit. I don't have to worry about doing the increases or anything. I can literally just knit and vibe for 4.5 inches. Like, yeah, I love when I'm able to do that. And anyway, I'm taking this pattern like slowly so that I don't confuse myself, because I know patterns get confusing when I get ahead of myself and I start reading ahead even though I haven't even done what I'm supposed to do yet, and I'm just like, well, that doesn't make sense. And it's like, well, maybe if you actually continue knitting and actually got to that point rather than reading ahead, you'll understand. So I'm trying to just focus on the section I'm working on rather than just like trying to see what I'm doing next. So anyway, time to knit these 4.5 inches, and I'll be back when I finish them. Okay guys, it is not looking up. I literally only knitted 2 inches so far today, and I could have been done, but I've spent the past like 2 hours talking to my sisters and stuff, and I was upstairs. My knitting project was downstairs. I didn't feel like coming downstairs, so I just, you know, did not knit for the past 2 hours. But I mean, honestly, I feel like having 2 inches done already is really good anyway, because now I only have 2.5 more inches, and I didn't even think I had 1 full inch done. So the fact that I have 2.5 inches is really good to me. Anyway, I'm not gonna force myself to finish the 4.5 inches since it's already 11 p.m. I'll just see what I can get to tonight, and that'll be it. But I'm definitely not gonna force myself to try to finish these 4.5 inches when this isn't even a challenge. Like, I get to spend as much time on this as I want to. I'm gonna utilize all the time that I have and just chill and not force myself to try and finish just because of nothing, basically. Like, this is not a challenge. I have to remember that. So I can just chill, which is what I'm gonna do. Just gonna see what I can get to, and that'll be it. So let's get it. Okay guys, this is all I got. I'm going to bed. So I got a total of, like, literally I'm like 1 tick away from 3 inches. Like, I can knit 1 row and it'll be 3 inches. So basically 3 inches out of 4.5, and that's good enough for me, because that means tomorrow I will easily be able to continue, well, finish the 4.5 inches and then start on whatever is next. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.